Hi everyone, in this video we will compare Wispr Flow and Superwhisper. Wispr Flow is a voice dictation tool built for people who want to move faster without relying on a keyboard. After years of typing the same way, Flow focuses on voice that actually works. You speak naturally at the speed you think, and Flow turns into the clean, structured text so you can create, code, and respond faster and save time. It's especially helpful for accessibility, supporting anyone who feels slowed down by typing by turning speech into polished text quietly and reliably. When you speak, Flow transcribes and edits instantly, turning messy or rambled thoughts into a clear, well-formatted text without filler words or typos. It also includes a snippet library, which lets you create voice shortcuts for things you repeat often, like scheduling links or FAQs. So one spoken cue can't generate full formatted text. Flow can automatically detect and transcribe different languages, allowing you to switch between them naturally. In terms of pricing, Flow offers a free basic plan, a pro plan at $12 per month, and an enterprise plan where you need to contact the team for custom pricing. Superwhisper is another voice dictation tool focused on fast, private, and accurate voice-to-text. It's designed to work locally and quietly in the background, making it a good option for users who care about speed and privacy. Superwhisper works well for writing messages, notes, and longer text using your voice, and it's often used by professionals who want simple and reliable dictation without too many extra features. It supports multiple languages and works across different apps, making it easy to dictate wherever you're typing. Superwhisper offers a free plan to get started, a pro plan at $8 per month, and a custom enterprise plan. You can also choose yearly or lifetime plans, which can be a good option if you want long-term access at a lower overall cost. When comparing the two, Wispr Flow feels better for users who want smart editing, structured output, accessibility features, and team-friendly tools like snippets. Superwhisper is better for users who want lightweight, fast dictation with a focus on privacy and flexible pricing options. Which one is better depends on whether you want advanced voice workflows or simple, efficient voice typing. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.